Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to put Android on silent mode. Here are the steps to put your Android phone on silent mode. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. Locate the volume buttons, usually on the side of your phone. Press the volume down button once. This will show the volume slider on the screen. Tap the bell icon. If it's set to sound, tapping it will switch to vibrate mode. Tap the bell icon again, and this will change from vibrate to silent. Check the notification bar. Look for a crossed out speaker icon, which means silent mode is active. Alternatively, swipe down from the top of your screen. This opens the quick settings panel. Look for the sound icon. It may look like a speaker or a circle with a line. Decrease the bar until it shows a crossed out speaker. This confirms silent mode is on. For longer silence, enable Do Not Disturb. Tap and hold the icon to customize who can call or message you. Turn off vibration if you want complete silence. Go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, tap on Vibration or Haptic Feedback, and make sure to toggle it off. Test your settings. Ask someone to call or text you to ensure the phone stays silent. To turn sound back on, press the volume up button or toggle the sound icon in quick settings panel. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.